Welcome to Small World's Big Adventures, building community through gaming. I'm Scott, and I'm here to unbox our new Illiterati game that just came today.
Well, tell us what the game's about.
It's about defeating bosses using words and letters.
More or less, it's a cooperative, like, word scrambling building game.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I haven't played it yet, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Box. Good box.
And this was one of the games we Kickstartered.
Yep.
Scott jokes that I did it without any advisement because I love word games. But this one is cooperative, which hopefully will bode well for us.
1 to 5 players, 30 minutes, ages 7. Instructions with the picture of the box. Nice. Good. Little advertisement. Also for rival restaurants.
Ooh.
Plastic bag full of letters.
These are cardboard.
Yeah.
We have the standard edition. Supposedly with the deluxe edition, you would have gotten wood tiles.
And these look like they're bigger than Scrabble letters. Yeah. Please not. Also, there's different symbols on the letters that mean something in the game. So just do that. Nice bag. Red bag.
Those are oh so nice, but if you have pets, they gather for like none other.
Yeah, you gotta watch out. Timer. Works.
Huzzah!
Huzzah. Weird little cover thing in there, and that's kind of cute. Looks like most of the cards for the game. Bottom. Nope. Alright. Looks like that's what comes in the box.
So we're pretty excited for it.
Yeah. I am not much for word games, but reading the Kickstarter for this sounds fun. Plus it's co-op, so my bad spelling hopefully doesn't hurt us that bad.
A funny story of our relationship, we met online and we both had board games as something we were interested in. And I meant Scrabble and he meant pretty much every board game that is behind him in those shelves. So he has corrupted me to the dark side.
We have played Scrabble 2 times? 3 times?
3 times maybe.
In our entire relationship, mainly because there's no point in playing against him.
He'll have 46 points and everyone else will be like over 100, which is not a commentary as you as a person.
We have bad spelling.
Moira disagrees.
Yeah.
That she says that is commentary. What do you think, Moira? How do the cards feel?
They feel good. They're good, solid cards.
I like the colors they chose.
Yeah, no, everything looks sharp. The art is really fantastic. I'm excited to get a chance to play. That's weird. These cards only fill up about half of the space in there, almost as if it's implying that maybe there's an expansion down there.
Maybe.
I don't know.
So down the line, if you want to see us walk through the game or hear our review of it, keep paying attention. In the coming weeks, probably June-ish, we'll be posting more videos about Illiterati.
That's right, June 2023.
Yes, June 2023.